Hi there, it's Rick on Tesla and welcome to this 1 year update on my Tesla Lease to Invest test journey. So 12 months ago I bought a Model 3's worth of Tesla shares when the share price was $602, and then we have gone up, literally gone up and down several times, and this is a 1 year update. So here we go. It could be better, it could be worse, it could be in the red, but at the moment I am still up. So we just have a quick look at what the share price has done over the last year and then a bit more in depth on the last quarter, and we'll see how that affects things in the spreadsheet. All right, so bought there at 602. We had a steady run. It was going really good for the first few months, and then it really took off after that. Market soared, and in November we hit 1225. And then, yeah, we've obviously been up and down since then, and then we've had a very big market correction, and we've been dropped down, quite a lot since then, and there's still a lot of worry about what's going to happen going forward. So we shall see in the next quarterly update. But at the moment, we've got some stabilization around the 700 mark, and it today is currently at 716. So still in a profit, but not as much, obviously, as we were when we were at 1200. So let's have a look now at what's happened in this last quarter. So we have got new factories being ramped up. We've had Elon doing his various things with Twitter and looking to buy that. We have also got different challenges from other EV manufacturers, the ICE manufacturers ramping up. And yeah, it looks like the Tesla are going to be reducing the workforce by 10%. There's some other sort of headwinds are going into Q2. The Q2 sales I don't think are going to be as good as predicted due to COVID and other supply chain issues. So I think we're going to have some headwinds going into the next quarterly update as well. As long as we're above 600, I'm not that worried, and I do believe long term it's still going to go past, be up at 1200, 1500 in the next 12 months. Fingers crossed. Obviously we don't know what's going to happen, but let's see. So if we go on to the spreadsheet now, and we'll have a look at what that looks like. So as I say, bought a year ago today, 602.98. And this is the share price as it's gone along up until now. So again, we are down 10% this quarter, but up overall 18%. So realistically, that's not a bad result all in. So if we just run through these, so I did buy a Model 3's worth of shares back a year ago, bought 120 of them, at 602.98. So if I sold those today, I would still be in profit, $13,698 or £9,700. My lease cost is £20,000 or $28,000. So that profit would kind of cover half of my lease costs. Obviously, when it got to 1200, we were actually in profits, whereas now we'd be in sort of a loss after the lease has been paid. But anyway, I'm glad that I made the decision, and I'm sticking it out for the long term. So we shall see how this goes for years 2 and 3 before I either give the car back or buy it or whatever. So stay tuned, and we'll see how this pans out in the coming months and years. All right, fingers crossed, and I'll see you around. Cheers for now.